What's up, guys? How's it going? Mike the Tech here, and in this video we've got another home security tech video for you. We are featuring the PLACUY home wireless doorbell camera. This is surprisingly a 2K camera for your doorbell. It's hard enough to find a 2K webcam, let alone a 2K doorbell camera, but that's exactly what this offers. It's got an SD card slot in it. It's completely wireless, meaning it runs on battery. It claims 90 days of battery life, which is just insane, honestly. And it's got anti-theft. So when it's mounted, little buttons pressed in the back, and if anyone tries to take it off while it's in monitoring mode or whatever, it will start to beep, make a really loud chime so that they'll either drop it, leave it, or if they do run off with it, it's going to be really loud. And it makes the indoor one chime as well, so that you're aware that someone is tampering with the device. So very cool features on this. We're going to go into more detail on the features themselves, do an unboxing, and once I've had a chance to actually try it out, because it's not actually installed here, I'll do another video talking about my experience with it, how I liked it, how I like the app, all that good stuff. And yeah. Before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed, and that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. Speaking of thanks, huge shout out to Miss Mo Davis and Tammy the Psychic. Thank you so much for being channel members. If you want to support the channel and get shout outs in videos like this, click on that join button below. And of course, huge shout out to PLACUY for sending me this wireless doorbell with chime. We're actually moving pretty soon, so this is going to come in super useful. Alright, so here is the box itself. Let's go ahead and open it on up and see what's inside. My knife is not doing great. I need to get this thing sharpened or just get a new knife altogether. This thing's been with me for many years though, so maybe it's time to get it cleaned up a bit. We're gonna go ahead and get this opened up here. And the big reveal here. Very nice. Alright, so here is the camera itself on our nice fisheye wide angle lens. We can see it here in the packaging. I'll take off the wrap so it's not so reflective, so you can see those QR codes and such shortly. One cool feature about this that I actually thought was interesting is it has a voice changer. So if, for example, you're at home alone and you want to sound like, you know, it has a deep voice, so you can make yourself sound like a guy, or you can make yourself sound like a clown, which I'm interested to hear what that one sounds like. That's kind of funny. But yeah, if you want to scare people away, this has some voice changers as well to take care of that for you. I thought that was a fun feature. And there's those QR codes in case you need to use that. And you can see all the features here. It is 2K, very nice 2K webcam. You don't often see that in, not a webcam, a 2K camera. You don't often see that in doorbell cameras. Now let's see what's inside the box. What's in the box? We have some quick start guides here. Help you get everything configured. We have 24-hour surveillance, so that we can put it up on a window and people know that they are being watched. So then here's the placement so that you can mount the camera properly. Here's the chime that goes inside your house, and this does use batteries as well. So it just uses 3 AAA batteries. And it comes with those as well, which is nice to see. We've got a cable here, an older micro USB, I believe. And we have some mounting hardware. Now let's get to the main event itself, the doorbell camera. This is a very clean looking camera as well. Let's peel this off, and we've got a larger one as well. Let's go ahead and pull that off the top. And we got that brand new plastic. Love to see it. Now, some of the features of this device, it is completely waterproof, and it has anti-theft as well. So if someone tries to take it off of the mounting hardware, it will actually ring really loud and let you know. And we can hear some of the doorbell rings here as well. And that sounds pretty cool. And it is also much louder once you actually plug in the chime. So that's just what the person outside hears. Once you actually plug in the chime indoors, it sounds much louder. And then of course you just hold the button for 5 seconds to turn it off. And it also came with a really cool tool. It has like different heads on each one. So you have a screwdriver and the Allen wrench itself and all that good stuff. So yeah, pretty nice. So yeah, this is the PLACUY doorbell camera. And I think it looks really slick. So Yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I'm going to be installing this and using it for a while. I'm going to let you know what I think of the camera quality, what I think of the app, all that good stuff. But yeah, it's a pretty cool setup. Thank you so much for PLACUY for sending this over. I'm excited to get to use it. If you want to check one out, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. I believe they were $50 when I last checked. Very, very affordable, especially for a 2K camera with a SD card slot on the side. You can't really beat that. Pretty cool stuff. Definitely go check them out in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Peace.
Administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, the architect. MikeTheTech, yeah. MikeTheTech, the architect.